Hello everybody and happy Sunday today. I figured I'd do a little Sunday day in my life, like a Sunday reset video, because I have a lot of cleaning in my room to do. I did just get a new tablet, so I want to unbox it for you guys in this vlog. Do a normal vlog that I haven't done in a really long time for you guys. It is about 1 o'clock. I woke up around 12 because your girl likes to sleep in, and for some reason I was really tired last night. Just like a bunch of random things to clean up in my room that I want to get done. I need to edit at some point today, editing my California vlog, so then hopefully this vlog can go up. But I have 2 more California vlogs to edit. I have my Apple Watch unboxing, and then I have this vlog to edit between the next few weeks. So I'm not gonna do Vlogmas, and I don't think I'm gonna do Vlogna this year. It's just something I'll probably do like some videos on TikTok here and there, so definitely follow me on that. I'm gonna start cleaning my room, putting things away. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Setting up the Samsung Galaxy Tab A light. I wanted to get a tablet, honestly. I just wanted to get a tablet. It was on sale for really cheap, and then I got some Target gift cards. From you guys know I use all those apps to get free stuff. So, and it only cost $38 for me to get this lovely tablet. So, I didn't really want an iPad because I feel like iPads don't last as long as Samsung does, so we're gonna open this baby. The tablet, see what it comes with, what Samsung gives you. Okay, so here's the quick starter guide. Kind of quick starter like Apple does. And then here's your cable, and that's it. So here's your brick. They actually give you a brick, and then your cable, which I think I'm gonna order a longer one on Amazon. And here it should work. Okay, so here we are. I'm gonna say start. Okay, I have red. Next. And network. Count. Okay. 2. Now it's setting up. Hopefully. So this is my tablet. Let's see. We'll just get that out. But I'm going to Zoom Lisa in a few minutes and play around with this tablet. And yeah, I'll see you guys later tonight for the end of the vlog. So hope you guys enjoyed the little unboxing and setup. So, hello vlog. So now I'm gonna be unboxing my case that I got for my tablet. from a little, like always. So I just got this cute little pink case to like that with it. Be very good. Screen protector. These are a must for with tablets, phones, all that. I feel like they saved my life a lot. Screen protectors. So this again is the Samsung tablet that I bought for very cheap. I'll open all this up. And then that, and now the try light. Here's the screen protector. I'm going to be very careful with. The back. Like that. Just line it all up. Okay. And then you let it go into the bubbles. You guys can see. Let it do its thing. And hopefully there's no bubble. Oh, there's one bubble. So, I got a new charging cable, which I'll definitely use. And then let's put the case on. So it's actually in a case finally. Now, we got a tablet, so we're gonna turn it on. Noises on this. Let's go to apps. Let's get Disney Plus install. HBO Max install. Paramount Plus, of course. YouTube's already installed. So hey guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog here and show you guys a little bit of what is on my tablet. I'll definitely do a video when I add more apps on there, but we could do a little short one right now. My lock screensaver, me and Nick Jonas. My fifth person. I really don't have too many apps right now, but I just want to put a pretty background. I have my TV apps, Netflix, YouTube, Paramount Plus, Zoom, because that's how like video chat with friends, and like if I want to use it for work, I have another place instead of my computer. Probably like want to work and be on Zoom, so I don't have to change screen sometimes. Corsa, I am actually doing a course on that right now for free, so I can get a certificate. Then I have Google Gmail, Google Drive. I have Chrome, the calendar app, Google Play Store, because this is Android, and camera, and then if you swipe up, I just added on Spotify, Disney Plus, HBO Max, and New York Times in case I want to read on here. So it's really all for what's on my tablet right now. Hopefully I'll add more apps. I don't want to add too many apps. I'll definitely, during 2022, I'll have some more videos coming. I don't know what, but hopefully in 2022 we'll get more city vlogs when I go back into the office a little bit. It'll be more city like vlogs. It'll be fun. So yeah, so this is probably going to be my last video for this year. I hope you guys stay subscribed to my channel, and thank you guys so much for always subscribing and watching my videos. I love you all so much. You mean the world to me, of course, and thank you for a great year. And I will see you guys in 2022. Bye guys.